Hi, this is Hadas from Mike in Canva, and I want to show you the new text feature, which is called Kerning. So let's say I have this love you. You can notice that the distance between the letters is not always equal. Sometimes the spacing between the O and the V is larger than the spacing between the V and the E. So when you have that, it doesn't happen in every font. You just head over to the A at the top. And once you click on it, let me just do it right now. And I'm going to head over to that little A. You'll see that you get two tabs, General and Typography. Let's start with Typography. Under Typography, you'll see the kerning. Now, I want all your eyes to just watch the love you. Look at that, before and after. Let me do that again. Before and after. Once I click on that, they are evenly spaced. Now, ligature, not quite sure what that does because when I tried it out, it didn't do much, but it's supposed to. Probably it depends on the font that you choose. I haven't found the font that works, but no worries. Once I fully understand it, I'll get back to you with that. But I want to show you other cool stuff that we have here. Now, you know how sometimes we write a recipe and we want to write a fraction, but just typing in 1/2 doesn't look like a half. So I have this recipe here. Let me just zoom in. And let's say I want to change the 1/2 cup sugar to something that looks a lot more like a half. So all I have to do is just choose the number 1, like so. See, now I'm going to repeat that with the number 2, but this time I'm going to go with another option, which is the little number out on the top, on the bottom. Oops. And there it is, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. I can also do that with, let's say, chemical symbols like H2O. Let me just show you. I have H2O right here. I'm just going to mark the number 2, head over to General, and I'm just going to use it like so. There it is. I can't hear you clapping, but I'm sure that you do.